Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to Mechanics of Material Lab, and today we are experiment is bending moment variation at point of loading, and in the second part we will see bending moment variation away from point of loading. The bending moment in a beam experiments gives you a visualization and proof of basic theory of bending moments, and this provides a sound foundation for future work inshallah. So before starting the experiment, you are advised to follow these safety checks and visual all the parts including electrical leads. These are electrical leads and power cables to connect with 220 volts. Check this power and power cable, electrical connections, and all the parts relating to the related sensors to ensure these are in proper condition. So check all the components are secured correctly and fastenings are sufficiently tight. These are fastenings. ये fastenings है इस फ्रेम को लगाने के लिए, यहाँ पे इस apparatus को हैंग करने के लिए ये screws हैं, तो ये टाइट होने चाहिए. And position the test frame safely. Make sure it is mounted on a solid level surface, is steadily and easily accessible. So this height should be proper to operate this setup, and this should be a leveled. These are leveled screws, and this is tabletop unit. So never apply excessive loads. Never apply excessive loads on this beam using a hands or any other condition, or applying heavy loads here, which is not recommended for this experimental setup. So these are simple checks and safety to follow these steps to ensure the long life of this experimental setup and proper working. So this is experiment learning scheme. So all of students are advised to follow these steps. In the first step, understand the shear force and bending moment diagram. Use the following link. This is a YouTube video. It's a brief introduction and a lecture, actually a brief lecture on the bending moment and shear force, and to generate the bending moment and shear force diagram. It will help you to recall the concept of theory. So in the second step, so this is the understanding of apparatus. This is a video. It shows the experimental setup, and this is short introduction of this experimental setup. This is also on the YouTube. And in the third step, please read the manual of the experiment which we supplied to you for the better learning. And in the fourth step, this is experimental demonstration, and follow this video. This will show to set the experimental setup and take the values. This link will help you. This is a good demonstration of our experimental setup. So after this, you can proceed to the next slide when we will perform the experiments in the virtual lab environment. So this is experiment learning scheme and prerequisites to perform the experiment in the virtual lab. So I advise you to follow all these steps for the better learning. In the first step, this is a brief video regarding the bending moment and shear force, and to build the shear force and bending moment diagrams. So this will recall your theory concept as you studied in the theory. So recall this concept. So in the second step, this is a short video of apparatus, and see this video, you will be familiar with the apparatus. And in the third step, please read the manual which we supplied to you for the better understanding and to perform and learning in the virtual environment. So in the first step, there is a demonstration, bending moment and shear force. So this is a combined video. In the first step, you can see here the video. This is a demonstration. This is also available on the YouTube. So in the fifth step, I advise you to move on the next step, and we will perform the experiment in virtual environment. So what is bending moment? Bending moment is reaction induced in a structure member when an external force or moment is applied to the element, causing the element to bend. As you can see here, these are structural member, these are beams, and you can see here the bending. The most common or simplest structural element subjected to bending moment is the beam. In this experiment, we will perform the bending moment on a beam, a simply spotted beam, and we will perform the bending moment on a beam. So there are two cases. If there is a compression in top fibers, forces are applied in such a way, tension in the bottom fiber, then there is sagging bending. So in the sagging bending, we use a sign convention normally as positive. In the other case, when there is a tension in the top fibers, forces are applied in such a way. So compression in the bottom fibers, when the beam will bend in this condition, this is called hogging, and we take it as a negative. This figure shows the components of our experimental setup, which is bending moment experiment. You can see here there is a beam, and there are two supports given here. One is rolling pivot, another one is support pivot. So you can see here a grooved hanger. This is important section in this beam to apply the loads. We will hang the loads on these hanger spots. So grooved hangers are here, and set zero control. This button is used to zero the digital force display, which is actually connected on the experimental setup in the lab. So this is force sensor, and this is moment arm. This is cut position. So cut position is very important in this section. There is a cut in the beam, and we will find the bending moment at this position. To stop the collapsing of a beam, a moment arm is connected on this section, and force sensor is connected at the end of this moment arm. So moment arm is very important to calculate the bending moment in this section. We will find the bending moment by using this distance and this arm length moment arm, which is 0.125 millimeter. So these ports are used to fix this apparatus on a structure. You will see on the next slide. So these are the components of our experimental setup. We will see the next slides in the detail, and we will apply the load using these grooved hangers with the different loads, and we will apply 1 and 2 hanger on the different positions. We will see bending moment as at this cut section. In this experiment, we load the beam away from the beam cut position. That is, we measure the bending moment at a point away from the point or points of loading. There are 3 load cases given. You can see on the screen in the figure number 4, 5 and 6 shows the diagrams for the beams. So these are load conditions. In the first figure, in the figure number 4, you can see here we will apply one load of 3.92 Newton, and we will measure the bending moment at the cut position. And in the figure 5, you can see we will apply two loads of two different loads, 200 gram and 400 gram masses, and load will be 1.96 and 3.92 newtons on the two different positions, variable hanger position and variable hanger load. So in this case we will measure the bending moment, and in the fifth figure you can see we will apply the two loads with the 4.91 Newton and 3.92 Newtons, and we will measure bending moment at the cut position. Remember, the length of moment arm is 0.125 meter. Distance of moment arm is attached on the cut position of the beam. So we will do in the next slide this experiment. So this is procedure for bending moment variation away from point of loading. So we will see the effect at this cut position. So our load is away from this cut position. In the figure number 4 you can see we will load W1. In the figure number 5 you can see this is force diagram. We will apply two loads, W1 and W2. In the figure number 6 you can see we will apply again two loads, and we will vary the positions from the supports of this beam, and again we will find the bending moment at this cut section. So procedure is same as the previous experiment. We will check the digital display as 0, and we will connect the software. Again we will load the beam according to figure number 4. This is figure number 4. We will carefully load, apply the loads, and record the digital force display reading in the table. We will note the value of the force. Again we will convert this mass into load. You can see here load, and you can see here the mass, and we will find the bending moment by multiplying the force to the distance of the cut section or the moment arm length of this beam, which is 0.125 meter, and you will calculate theoretically the reaction forces as you learned, and will verify these values. So we will record the data in the table, and we will generate the graphs to show the behavior of these loads on the bending moment of this beam. Now we are again in virtual experiment variant of the TQ software. We will select virtual experiments, and now we will apply the load, and we will load the beam according to figure number 4. See the figure number 4 here we applied 400 gram mass on the extreme left of the beam, and you can see here we applied 3.92 Newton force, and you can see here the reaction forces, and we will calculate the bending moment at the cut position, and this is away from cut position. So see here, this software calculated the bending moment, value of bending moment minus 0.17 Newton meter. It's mean the hogging is generated in the beam. So using the sign convention, we use the minus sign with this bending moment, and you can see here reaction forces of left support, reaction force of right support, and this is bending, this is force applied, load applied basically. And you will take the value of force by measuring from the digital force display unit, and you will find experimentally the value of bending moment and compare with this value, and you will counter verify this value. So now we will record this data, and we are using variable hanger position. You can see here. Now we will record this data. You can see here data is recorded here. We applied the 400 gram and all the values you can see here. Now record this data, and we will Now we will apply the load according to the figure number 5. Here you can see two loads are applied here, 1.96 Newton and 3.92 Newton, and we will select 200 gram and apply the W1 on the 260 millimeter away from the left position. You can see here on this position the distance, actually the distance is 360 millimeter from extreme left, but distance from this port is actually 220 millimeters. So we will remove this load, we not require this. Now we will apply the second load of, we will apply this 200 gram here. Now we will apply 400 gram of the mass on this position. So you can see 3.92 Newton and 1.96 Newton, two loads are applied away from the cut position. Now we will see the effects of these two loads. So see here, the bending moment, value of the bending moment is 0.46 Newton meter, and this sign is positive. It means sagging is generated in the beam. So you will calculate theoretically all these values again and counter verify. Experimentally, as I told earlier, you will measure the values by calculating force from the digital force display unit and distance of this movement arm. The length of this movement arm is 0.125 meter. So you will multiply the force by this distance and you will find experimentally the value of bending moment experimentally. So you will record this data. Okay, you can see, select here from variable UDL position or arbitrary combination you can try. Now you will record this data. You can see here for the weight one position, you can see here the distance, you can see here the mass, and weight 2 is 400 gram, and weight 2 mass is 400 gram, weight 2 position is 400 millimeter, and weight 1 W1 is 200 gram and distance is 360 millimeter. You can see here theoretical force at the cut and theoretical bending moment and theoretical reaction at the left and right spots. You will counter verify all these values and compare with this value and you will plot the graph. I will send you this data as well. Now we will save this, and now we will apply the load. We will load the beam according to figure number 6. Here we have the two loads, 500 gram and 400 gram. W1 is 500 gram. We will apply this load. First we will remove this load, and now we will apply W1 500 gram. W1 is 500 gram and we will apply here according to figure number 6. So again we have two loads here. We will select 400 gram and we will apply here 540 millimeter distance. So you loaded the beam at the two different position away from the cut. You will calculate the bending moment at the cut position and you will compare with other values in the tables. You can see here bending moment at the cut is 0.48 Newton meter. So maximum bending moment is 0.62 and minimum you can see a 0. This is maximum and minimum values to save the beam. However, your calculated bending moment is 0.48 Newton meter. You can see here this is positive with positive sign convention. Sagging is generated in the beam, and you can see here the reaction forces here on the left spot and on the right spot. With help of these reaction forces, you calculated the bending moment at the cut. So length of this moment arm is 0.125 meter. So experimentally you will find by measuring the digital force display unit, and we will multiply with this moment arm length, and you will compare the theoretical values with the experimental values. Now we will record this data, and now this was our experiment. तो इस एक्सपेरिमेंट को लिखिए, नोट डाउन कीजिए, प्लीज़ नोट डाउन ऑन यूर notebooks and compare the values, and when we will find the time in the labs, we will perform at this station as well. So this was our bending moment experiments on this apparatus.